Bobo, what do you think about this? So I'm slowly losing my mind fixing the truck. So I stuck the new batteries in. Got the new alternator. New batteries, as you see, are not in there. As I put them in, turn it over, it didn't start. I'm like, oh, why is it not starting? It's been plugged in, and I look and see my plug is blown apart. So the engine was dead cold, -5 engine, as I'm turning it over. Only a couple times, trying to not flatten my new batteries. I had to go back to Anchorage again to get a new cord for my core heater. I opted for just the cord and not the actual element because I swapped the whole cord and element last year. I don't know why all this shit's blown up all at once. Then while I was at it, I got a new glow plug relay. I gotta put it back here because I suspect this one's fuckered. And then I put this one in last year because it's turning over. So anyway, I'm a goddamn diesel mechanic now apparently, though I'm not. So I figure I might as well start making diesel repair videos while I'm at it. They're pretty popular. Hey Bobo. So I gotta chase this heater core under here. Bobo, get out of here. Why does this look different? Huh. Can you hand me a flat bladed screwdriver? Are you there? Oh my god. This fucking thing will... I got the double prong there. Seems a little different. I'm hoping it won't work. Oh, this ice is kind of handy, I guess, for sliding around. Cannot see up in there. Wish I could fucking see. Alright, wow, that fit on there. This one looks a little different. This one comes in straight, but then my replacement's got this turn to it. Now I gotta fucking backtrack this wire out of here and get this out to the front somehow. Wow. So how on earth do you frickin' do that? Oh my god. I assume I need to get that wire coating on it. I think the key to successful auto mechanicking is to first get on your Carhartt one piece. This really helps. And then pretend like you know what you're doing. As on my cord, I'm chasing it. It comes around through here and under here, and that's how I get into this, where it's attached to the chassis. So I gotta wrestle that bastard out of there, get my new cord through, and then get the cover on it. So I got the old cord out, and I got the protective housing on the cord that I'm trying to fish onto here. Here's my new cord that I gotta bring up through here to the front. So I got the new cord fished out the front. Part of me thinks it's this old extension cord cracking a bit, because look at this. I mean, it's not busted completely, but I don't know if that's adding to my issue. Lots of issues going on here, so let's stick a new cord on there. Speaking of cold, let's see how the chickens are doing. I got them this little heat board thing. Is it warm in here, dummies? Huh? This one's not looking so good. Look at, he's all haggard. It's chicken. I don't know what's wrong with them. You guys seem all right. Oh, there's a pigeon that lives here. There's another pigeon. Oh, just the one. No eggs. Thing is warm. I don't know if it's worth it. And this thing's got a heater to it. Lots of bullshit, you know, to keep going in this cold. The initial issue, I was driving, battery light came on. And then when it was running and I checked the batteries, they were like 11.7, so it was telling me the alternator wasn't pumping power to them. So I'm like, okay, the alternator's out. So I swapped the alternator. That, in the meanwhile, the old one had probably killed the other batteries. So I got new batteries. This was like 275. The batteries were like 550 total. And then when I hooked the batteries up, it was turning quick and nice because the batteries were warm from in the house. But that's when I discovered my core wasn't warm, so I just swapped out the core. Also, though, when it turns quick like that and doesn't fire, it could be the glow plug relay, which I swapped last October. But I remember when I installed it, see these little terminal heads? This one was loose, and it was fucked up when I installed it, but it worked. But I'm guessing it might not be working. So in the meanwhile, while I wait for the freaking truck to warm up, I'm gonna swap this out and then install the batteries and then try to start this bastard. So, oh yeah, so it's just got these flanges. There's 2 screws, 2 bolts, 2 nuts. I gotta get the old one out, new one in. Wow, by miracle, I've got a 3/8 to 1/4 adapter. Boom, that should get that off. Boom, easy. I swear having the camera just makes you seem like a pro, even though I don't even know what I'm doing. So we do not want to freaking put these type leads the wrong direction here. I remember the unit goes in with the flange, the silver, kind of this way. See, this is the one that's loose. This fucker homemade thing just might be fucking crapped out. Wow, well, yeah, that's not connected anymore. That could have been part of my problem. So I'll do this. Holy shit, what's up with that? Oh my god. Huh, it's not the best. Maybe some better pliers. Just, you know, need something, and then where is it? I'm looking for some solid needle nose pliers. Oh, that'll do. These ones are nice and little, but they're freaking busted. So that could have been glow plug relay issue on top of everything else. Seeing as that piece was basically busted. Just do not want to fuck up these leads. Wow, that's fucking tight somehow. I need goddamn vice grips. It's just funny. chasing tools. You know, keeps escalating to what the fuck you need. I do not want to bust that lead. That would be a sad day. Grip. Pretty snug. Oh, got it. Thank God. Wow, that was fucking snug on there. That must have busted it in the first place. I over tightened it way back when. Like an amateur. Dropping fucking nuts into the engine. Like an amateur. I got the new ones coming on that other piece though. Boom. That's out. Tiny. Ooh, what's that? That's 10. Oh, it is a 10. That was too small. That one's it. Don't lose that. So we're trying to get this little bastard down in here to crack, and then I can hold my finger. How on earth? I swear, these fucking... Come on, bastard. I freaking did this last year. Like, I know I can do it. I wish I had a deep socket. 10 is what I need. God, is that it? 11/32. Oh, so close. Dude, I got this new one, 11/32. There's gotta be more. This 7/16. You can see that terminal head was busted. So yeah, you can hear the core heater cooking down in there, so she's getting warm. We're trying to bring her back to life. So I got the new unit in. Got the what do you call these things? Connections. Ready. Just gotta put the nuts on there. And then I'm probably gonna put these batteries back in. See if this bastard starts. Got the batteries back in. I've only been plugged in for half an hour, but if the relay was an issue, it's only been plugged in half hour, but if the relay was there, final move, Nick Nielsen, was to drain the bowl, and then it started. Imagine that. Thanks for watching. You learn something every day.